Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will comparing two popular e-commerce platforms Shopify and Wix. After conducting extensive research and testing both platforms, I ultimately choose for Shopify for the e-commerce businesses. In this good video, I will share the reasons behind my decision and the key factors you should consider when making your choice. Please note this video is not sponsored by neither company. I am simplify sharing my personal opinions and experiences. However, if you have interested in trying Shopify, I have included a link in the description after offering a deal of $1 per month for the first 3 months, which is not available directly on their website. Let's dive in. The main difference between Shopify and Wix lies is their origins. Shopify was designed specifically for e-commerce wherever Wix started to content-based website builder and later added e-commerce features. Shopify is an excellent option for beginners or those looking to scale thanks to its pages, making it more SEO friendly. Shopify also supports Yoast SEO integration for advanced sites, while Wix offer SEO tools like SEO Viz as SEO dashboard and integration with Summer for keyboard research. When it comes to transaction fees and payment gateways, Shopify offers Shopify payments and Wix offer Wix payments. Using these built-in gateways avoid transaction fees but third-party gateway on Shopify can incur up to 5% fees depending on your plan. Wix allows the free third-party payments but only in USD and lacks multi-currency checkout options, where Shopify supports multi-currency checkout via its Shopify Market app. Tax calculation is another critical, except Shopify automatically calculates the taxes for users across all plans, while Wix offer automatic tax calculation through a third-party app called Alarum. This feature is limited to certain plan, with caps on the number of calculations per month. Shopify also offer a extensive range of over 6,000 app integration that were seamlessly with more than 100 themes and template designs. Your store is straightforward with Shopify's intuitive drag and drop store builder. Additionally, all plans include 24/7 customer support, making the setup process as smooth as possible. Wix, on the other hand, offers plans across four categories: website businesses, e-commerce, and enterprise. It's your earning as online store. You will need to choose from the businesses and e-commerce plans to enable online payments. Wix allows up to 15,000 products, more than is sufficient for most businesses, but lacks unlimited products options. Wix provides over 800 templates, a drag and drop editor, and a customer domain name for free of 1 year. However, editing Wix templates can make websites less optimized for smartphones, meaning you will need a separate mobile site. Shopify is contrast automatically optimizes its templates for mobile devices and creates redirect links for moved physical points of sale. POS system for all plans expect the starter plan, enabling real-time inventory updates through card readers. Content to mobile devices. Wix POS feature in product recently is only available to select user in the US and Canada. Pricing is another key conditionary. Wix offers as a free plan, but its functionality is limited to e-commerce purpose. Shopify shows not have a free plan but offers 3 days free trial and discount introductory packages for $3 of 90 days. Once the trial ends, Shopify's main plans include the basic plan at $19 a month, the standard plan at $49 a month, and the advanced plan $299 a month. You can switch between plans as your businesses grows and receive a 25% discount for annual payments. There are wrap of a 2-day video. If you found this information useful, please like the video and subscribe to more content. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And remember, if you decide to Shopify, use the link in the description for the exclusive $1 a month deal for 90 days. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.